The LEXIN G1 Bluetooth headset offers exceptional connectivity with its advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology, allowing you to connect two devices simultaneously for seamless operation. With its 40mm Mylar speakers and noise cancellation technology, the G1 delivers high-quality audio that ensures clear sound whether you are on a busy highway or a quiet backroad. Designed to withstand various weather conditions, the G1 is IP67 waterproof and features a robust battery that supports all-day use, making it perfect for long rides. The headset's voice assistant activation and large, glove-friendly buttons enhance safety by allowing you to make hands-free calls and control music without taking your focus off the road. To cater to different helmet types, the G1 includes two microphone options for full-face and open-face helmets, along with interchangeable faceplates to customize its appearance. Before purchasing, ensure your helmet has sufficient space for the 1 centimeter thick speakers to avoid installation issues.